Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica, and this show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. It is August 2nd. Wonderful to have you. Today I want to talk about mindset and keeping your mind disciplined in the right place and how difficult it can be. Real quick before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check out A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We're offering 50% off the first month. There's a link below. Check us out. If you're looking to start and grow your voiceover business, get some acting training, tech training, marketing, all that jazz, we're the place for you. So check us out below. All right. So the right mindset, it's hard. It's really hard. We go through periods in this business, in the voiceover world, where we're up and we're down. And it can be really hard to keep moving forward and keep that excitement. You know what I mean? It really is hard because there are months like this past month where so many, voice actors really were struggling to find work. And then there's a bunch who got a lot of work, but, it's typically that cyclical nature of our business that really, it makes us struggle sometimes. It makes us struggle questioning, is this the right path for us? Questioning, should we, take a different road? Should we, go somewhere else or try something different or, give up voiceover altogether. And I think that anything that is worth accomplishing takes courage to keep going in the face of doubt, despair, frustration, confusion, not knowing what's going to come next, anger, sadness, all of these challenges, they are what makes success great. And without the challenges, there can be no success. And the reason I bring it up is because, gosh, wouldn't it be nice we just lived in a world where it all was, a success, where we just, we tried something and we were successful, and there were no challenges, there were no obstacles. I mean, it sounds nice, but it's not the way it is. And I think because of that, it can deter a lot of us in moving forward. I do think that because of those challenges, though, it makes the victory even sweeter, though, right? And we have to find a way to remember that, find a way to program ourselves to push forward in despite those hiccups, right? Those frustrations. I find that some of the biggest struggles we have often come mentally. Is that just the nights drag on, days drag on, you're stuck inside your mind trying to figure out, is this the right path? Is this the wrong path? Should I do this? Shouldn't I do that? Am I doing right? Maybe this isn't right. It's a constant battle in our minds, right? And I think creatives, people who are even more creative, there is always a self-reflection that we're going through, right? Because we're always looking at ourselves saying, what can we do to improve ourselves? What can we do to improve our emotions, our deliveries, our things? And that's part of being a creative person, right? Is being more in tune with that. But what comes with that, though, is also the nonstop beating in our minds about what we're doing, what we're not doing, how we could be better. And it literally, like, if it was a picture that would come to mind sometimes, I mean, we probably would be all bloodied up, bruised up, right, from ourselves, beating ourselves up. And it can be hard. So I wanted to come on today and say, I understand, how it feels to be in that place, and we go through it in different parts of our business in different times. You know what I mean? But the key is to never stop. Never stop. Keep moving forward because, again, success is sweet because we never gave up. All right, I'll just leave it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. You can do it. Don't give up on your voiceover dream. Keep going forward. All right? Push harder. You know, when something pushes you, push back. All right, I don't know what that was just about what I felt like saying today. So thank you as always for watching. Again, check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy. We'd love to have you be part of our community and give you that support that you need to push back even harder. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye.